shelter from the storm in life and love created for a destiny. I live in him. He lives in me. Oh, and filled with this hope in God, reflecting his glory. Now is the time to worship you. Now is the time to offer you all of my thoughts, my dreams, my plans. I lay them down. Now is the time to live for you. Now is the time I'm found in you. Now is the time your kingdom come. Now is the time to worship you. Now is the time to offer you all of my thoughts, my dreams, my plans. I lay them down. Now is the time to live for you. Now is the time I'm found in you. Now is the time your kingdom
Ora taingai te bimei swa de minisi mintia vanua yon banan Hope Radio FM 89. Ngayari pun te banani ka kameori na kwamkia ko te meto ando ngongorai dari kinam radio ben nam tapa na ko ngongora me yai. Ya ko kuring kan ni ka wasana ko im pa sawaki ro inka yon tia wani me met nano. Ngayari kan ko to ko pa yai kuna merang me met ya kin nano nom. Ya ko tangi ni ka kan ngongora ya kin nan tai na ko. O yon kan nam tai. Tare poni ye yon na unampan tare poni suwa wo wa kia. O watawana akia tenu akia kia komenti on the live ngia korang nusmaka nika kaitara yon ngongora menam tapo ane ko ngongora me yai.
on my knees. I did learn from the master. He taught me to pray. I read on from the scriptures the patience of Job. Keep on your faith and live with hope. Jesus is the Redeemer and friend, the only comforter when you feel you are alone. He will be there when you cry out. Keep on your faith and live with hope. When you get into trouble, lift up your head and look up to the mountains where your help comes from. You surely have a refuge all night, all day. Keep on your faith and live with hope. Jesus is the Redeemer and friend, the only comforter when you feel you are alone. He will be there when you cry out. Keep on your faith and live with hope. Why don't you trust in him? He's faithful and true. He promised to take us home on his soon return. Hold on and never look back. Believe in his word. Keep on your faith and live with hope. Jesus is the Redeemer and friend, the only comforter when you feel you are alone. He will be there when you cry out. Keep on your faith and live with hope. Jesus is the Redeemer and friend, the only comforter when you feel you are alone. He will be there when you cry out. Keep on your faith and live with hope. He will be there when you cry out. Keep on your faith and live with hope. He will be there when you cry out. Keep on your faith and live with hope. He will be there when you cry out. Keep on your faith and live with hope. He will be there when you cry out. Keep on your faith and live with hope.
Hawara taingai wabi mewa de minisi minti awa wanua yon banan Hope Radio FM 89. Ya kwa singane de memeden nano re tangira kina kona. O hata ko de yakan de memeden nano ayo. Kuna meuri de sakana ko banan di Hope Radio. Kota yo kana bani katanga te kunare kuna meuri yesu nde ngapo ngei. Pa sausi ni ka meurira. O nuringi ene pestinara aki asani pua. Korapa o te kiroingwe. O naka meuri kongwe te sa memeden nano meri te ta menamta pana ko te meto ando ngongora meyai. Kuna meuri. Dari muang kani ni karau dea ko ni kaparapura na ko ni memeten nano mara ko tangira te ngapo ngei. Kaitarana ide meto ni kakaya memeten nano mani. Meya kireke nano ni peau. Meyari ken kana uyang o bandangiri ni na pete kunare. Eriria isinang kete te hingai. Pangayari na tangina koim. Inanon te ngapo ngayu ari kina pa ite panan ururing di kaaki. Na koya sinara aki hasta ni bua mente mewa yo. O sangoraki na konte memeten nano ari yari na yai bukim.
Para
Hawara ta inga ya boni dera roi tia wawanua. Stay me don wakina ko nanon tia wan me meten nano. Ngayeren kana kota ko pa yei me meten nano me ako tangira ni kan ngora ya kinna me nam tapa na ko ngora me yei. O kwa kita ta para ki. Kwa siore na betanam pantare po ne isu wo wa kia. Wo to wana agete no wakia. Ki ko mensi on the live. Me yona pangani te me meten nano. Atak te kan te me meten nano ayo. Ta yo ka me ko nakatanga tiene ni ari yei te pa yeri kin te mani pa. Patakate kiroi na kon tamerawa rosari uriata a kapia ni menga ye tapito we taravayeta on na meuri kong kwete sa me meten na to wakin pime namdaba no kong ngora me ye ikata yani ka kaya pa kong ngora me ya me akia urora me bangka ya ko te me to ani ka kai tarai me namtabo ani kong ngora me ye me yung kan me meten na nom are kwari ni ye bokoni kong nai ka harang ni mais are nare ke pa panam ni ka kate kiroi na ko ya kya san mani we karaya yon tapito we taravayeta kiki asa ngora kia na kon a me meten na no
Karako, akangaya tawano, apaneni mo sirawa, manayang makuri, ayaw ay terong-rongo, ekaw wakinanoya, ako na kunika kaya mo yung terong-rongo, payay te payarin, te manipan, pay mo yung teran ni kameo, Cameo, de meu nakitoki, of siya payanasiku, asiku Yesu apong, kaya siya nong rao, akamewaki, bayay te bayarikin te manipan, bay mo interan ni Cameo, etetekin na nako, kasi
yei te pai erikin te manipa o men kuna mane te songora we sirang kane ni karo koira narata inkai wabi me suari ki te mini sa mga po tia warwaiwa na kami auri kong kwe te driver o te sana ikan toka kota peni bus nampas inanon takawai inanon te ngapo ngayo inapuni pia ni mera kini metam dayani kapuroi karang ni maiski kapuroi terere to wana metera miyang kwata ye te yakane puni kaupai ni kiri pesen tai kanaro ngayari akai nanu na pe ambo to kata ya kane karo kwa ki ro inde tai ne ya tapon leiri ngai tera miyang me yai siria inna ngara po to ka na ko ya de kai boni pa intangira ngai ya ne ron jeswa
I've heard them sing, he paid for it all. I've heard them sing, I'm coming home, and hear the master's call. I've heard them sing the modern songs and songs of long ago. But amazing grace, how I know. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Oh, how sweet the
them sing, he paid the price in just a little while. I've heard them sing beyond the clouds and give the world a smile. I've heard them sing, there is a fount that washes white as snow. But amazing grace, how sweet the sound, is the sweetest song I know. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound, oh how sweet is the sound, the sweetest song, the sweetest song in this life could be found. I've heard about the sailors touch the washed as white with blood and snow. But amazing grace, how sweet the sound, is the sweetest song I know. It was the song my mother sang in sweet and humble voice, like music from the world above. It made my soul rejoice. Its soothing words and melody, like rippling waters flow. But amazing grace, how sweet the sound, is the sweetest song I know. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound, oh how sweet is the sound, the sweetest song, the sweetest song in this life could be found. I've heard about the sailors touch the washed as white with blood and snow. But amazing grace, how sweet the sound, is the sweetest song I know. But amazing grace, how sweet the sound, oh how sweet is the sound, the sweetest song, the sweetest song in this life could be found. I've heard about the sailors touch the washed as white with blood and snow. But amazing grace, how sweet the sound, is the sweetest song I know. But amazing grace, how sweet the sound, is the sweetest song I know.
Anatera Teswa, Untakan Tileo, Odisak, and Kakawagin Mount Tamira, or Rotapanin Nebe, and Isaac.
Imeragipeka orang ini kita tahu aja kami yang narun kita kanak hari ini kabungan tiran mara kia kia rota ini kita.
Ani yamada dikya taina ini o taini mane homorara dikya taya ga warede ana kunan do ta kinta karina nora ki dana sagi karege tei kinta sagi mengara
Katime to ani sagin nararogi kun nararungi ya kan narakao. Iya kinai ya taina ini o taini mane. Kita bogi tei me de to ini kabungan atiro.
Tebubusi at horir sakay ni karikepain katime to sakin o tararoy arakay na kutaan.
mendikin kain na kutari ay kapo ayon ka waira ni narung ontur ni pai inano ni meaura
Menari kira gini meuroi de marua
Hawarata ingai te bimer wai ki te minis menkai yo mga po tiawa ruaiwa yon panan Hope Radio FM 89 me yo na bangkande te memeten nano ata ku te kante memeten nano ayo ta yo ka me ko na kara kwari yo ka te giroi na kon Simon te punang ya menno ni misiri ani to koroi na bubusi ba na katanga te kunare inanon na utai ni poporau inanon ni merawa korapa ayo ngongora meikai o na meuri gori kin kwete sa memeten nano to wakin menam tapa na kongongora me yai kona meuri ayon kan memeten nano mara kotangira ni kanongora yakin na are kene pai panam ni kakate giroi na koia akiasan maniwe karaya inanon te nga po ngayo mende tapa na kongongora me yai to wakin na ayon kan ne memeten nano
Inanonime you ayo me kariri di kapene kapekana ukai penga kie pon rawawata meroko yesu ni po wakai rawawata di kapene yata sikuia umi yoko irona payeta ya bau kapena pene arona
pa Yesu punau ka ben ne penerona o men kuna mane de sangora o sirang kanani kara koira narata inkai ai bon si de bi men me wari ki de minisa mga po tia warwaiwa yon banano Hope Radio FM 89 o ta kantani ngarang na papa ki pa ko ben na ben de me ton wa kan kara wata pem men nam ta bana ko ngora me ye patong ko etiene e ko ben na ben ka kamakuri na no na man ko ka ke tong ko te mane e ko ben kara wan tara tari be waraki ngayari men nam tabo ngongora ay bokon tabi man ko sin wakin na inanon de ngabong na de meto na bangkanya ni kairiri ko ni karaoni ko me inanon nam studio ko robutara men kan ko ko papun ngai me meten nanom ke kunam me ko tangira ni kan ngora yakin na awayo na bangkan nam tai Itauroi na bangkan ni busmai ko yon na unang pantarapon ay suwa wawakia. Uwatowana akia tenungakia ke komenti on the live ibukim kia ko de meto ni kakaitara yon nangongora menam tabo ane kongongora meyay.
Soon we'll come to the end of life's journey, and perhaps we'll never meet anymore till we gather in heaven's bright city, far away on that beautiful shore. If we never meet again this side of heaven, as we struggle through this world and its strife, there's another meeting place somewhere in heaven, by the side of the river of life, where the charming roses bloom forever, and where separations come no more. If we never meet again this side of heaven, I will meet you on that beautiful shore. They say that we should meet by the river, where no storm clouds ever darken the sky. And they say we'll be happy forever and ever in the wonderful sweet by and by. If we never meet again this side of heaven, as we struggle through this world and its strife, there's another meeting place somewhere in heaven, by the side of the river of life, where the charming roses bloom forever, and where separations come no more. If we never meet again this side of heaven, I will meet you on that beautiful shore. I will meet you. I will meet you on that beautiful shore. Kikuna ni Yesu, wotate kandarana ekamewa isuaru nanana, noango anakoi. Kianine kikaura kina, meharona na pepeire, pena metintikai, ukina upure. Kianine kuna ni Yesu. Tainangkai sakirang ngongongo kuna ni Yesu. Sirang di kainan
niya kantang Purihin ng nongongo Kuna ni Yesu Kuna narawea
Kiaine akikuna ni Yesu Utante kandarana kamewa isuara narana Noanga wanako Kiaine akitaura kina Meharuna na pepeire Pena metintikai Ukina upure Kiaine akikuna ni Yesu Anine Anine Kunan Yesu
Anateka te aswa, kunte akan tileu o disak, anang kakawagin nun meong tamira, o arota panin na ba, enaisa.
Imera kita ragili kita pewa kaya kami ako naroon di kakanap hari gimen kabunganan tiran mara kaya kaya rota gimen tibera.
Ani ya meda dikia teina ini o teini mane homorara dikia teya ga warere ana kun nando takin da karina nora ki dana sagi kare ke pei nkai sagi mengara
Pati me tuani sakin nararogi kun nararungi ya kan narakao. Tiya kinaya tay na ini o tay ni mani. Ito ko kipay me to ni kapungana jero.
Tibubusi at horir sakay ni kare kepe ni kate metua sakin otararoy arakay na kutar.
mendikin kai na kutari ai kapo ayon ka waira ni narung ontur ni pai inano ni meaura
Sawara is the
Ako pun pasando ngoran do yana uso do ware torete. Ya wasiran kande negara koira narata ingai ya pun si tenuari ki teminis mengai ay mga poet ya waruaiwa. Ya ni banan Hope Radio FM 89. Ayere pun tebanan ka kameri na ko mkia ko de meto ando ngorai dari kinam radio. On ta pena pen wa ka ni karawa tapia minanun te ngapo ngayo. Esan ya ko ka ko ron spangarai ka ste meto an wa kini nan tangai na yo. Merau sagi mamani ni garoi tapira. Ni kenes me anakanta ni ngatiaswa.
Greater is He that is in me. Greater is He that is in me. Greater is He that is in me than he that is in the world. Greater is He that is in me. Greater is He that is in me. Greater is He that is in me than he that is in the world.
Satan's like a roaring lion, roaming to and fro, seeking whom he may devour. The Bible tells us so. Many souls have been his prey, to fall in some weak hour. But God has promised us today his overcoming power.
Greater is He that is in me. Greater is He that is in me. Greater is He that is in me than he that is in the world.
On the day of Pentecost, a rushing mighty wind blew into the upper room and baptized all of them with a power greater than any earthly foe. And I'm so glad I got it too. I'm gonna let the whole world know.
Greater is He that is in me. Greater is He that is in me. Greater is He that is in me than he that is in the world. Greater is He that is in me. Greater is He that is in me. Greater is He that is in me than he that is in the world. Than he that is in the world. Than he that is in the
Hawara tainga ya buni boro ai te waruaiwa. Awayo te tai te sangorare sa mga rokona pe into kina kanuan na mawa ni memeten nano. Inanun te ngapo ngayo. Ngayari apon tapaka mo panahon karapako. Ibukin nam tayo memeten nano marasasa nuso niya po yeswara. Inanun ta meruan te ngapo ngayo. Ang kuya na tayo kiri kam tani kana kwa memeten nano. Kwa kira rome sa mga puni kais po wakin tiya waruai te bi mewowa. Me akunam ari ememete yainanom.